right now. Okay.
Alright guys, so we got this from our grandmother.
Yeah.
And we got this bow from our uncle. I think you already know them because we showed our grandmother and our uncle in the night safari video.
And we're gonna tell you what first is the biggest thing. It is this octopus fidget thing.
Yeah.
And even an infinity cube, which we wish for it.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna open this octopus fidget first.
Yeah, I think my one's like a watermelon. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's so hot. Now it's pink. It's happy with me.
Oh, it's happy!
We're friends. We're friends.
We're not friends.
I'm so angry with you.
And you're like, what?
I'm so not happy with you.
I'm so happy with you. Alright guys,
Okay.
so let's move to the
Infinity cube. Infinity cube.
We're gonna open the infinity cube.
Okay, so we're gonna open the infinity cube.
No, it's open.
I can't believe it. It's so cool. Like, this is very good. Hey,
Okay, we're gonna open it.
if you want to give me that, and then I have to keep both. Okay, so it's a square, which is my favorite because it feels very rough and nice. Okay, now let's open the small puppet, alright?
Oh, I get this cupcake.
Again? And it's big? No small, it's so good. Go get lucky. Okay, so we're gonna open this. I thought your one was small too. At least it's so big. Look at mine. It's so hard to pop.
Alright guys, so I got this. Another. Because I already get, because my friend
I
gave
can have
me
it
for her birthday. I got
Okay.
a lot of small puppies.
Okay, so now let's open this. Get the small little boy.
Yay.
That is why it's called an infinity cube.
Alright guys, so now we have
Wow, your ball so
Wow.
special lah. Okay, so let's put just the ball here because it looks like
Then usually we need to blow, then we can play.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's open
After
the
that-
triangle Rubik. Come on.
Oh wait, I hate to look at triangle.
I hate to break it to you, but I really love it.
Triangle.
Hi, I want different. I want cooler.
You know the real one.
Huh?
Never mind.
Your one is easier to open though.
I don't know where.
No. Wow. Mine. It's so cool, my one. Okay, let's open the square.
Can you wait?
Oh yeah, I already had this, right? I already had this. Shit. So we got this.
We got this.
Yeah, we got this.
We got this.
We got this.
And we got this.
And we got this.
And we got this.
And we
Oh,
got
yeah.
this. Let's open the square puppet now.
Alright, let's
Hey,
open
puppet, pula. Me is the
Rubik's Cube. Yeah, the square Rubik's Cube.
Okay, so we have the instructions here, which you can't lost it because it's import and I don't British.
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 Got this one.
Look, I messed up. No, I'm a genius.
No. I'm just gonna leave it in the box.
No, look, I'm a genius. We got pink.
I'm gonna leave it in the box so it doesn't get lost.
Yeah, but put the instruction.
I don't know how to open this.
Very neat. Okay, now let's open the biggest one.
Yes, we're gonna open this one.
It's my favorite because we've been wishing for this. We can draw with it. And this was actually my sister's one. I mean my brother's, but my brother cannot because he is 1 year old. Yeah. I'm not lying. Zumba.
Zumba.
And let's open the other one. Ooh, we got a king here. A king is on.
Okay,
buy this, please
go to any online shop.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Alright guys, so we need battery, but I don't know if we have battery, but there's no screw at all.
There's probably no screw for.
But my father can put a screw.
And that can shoot though. Okay, I'm probably gonna put this where? In there, in the mouth, Okay, let's keep this round thingy. Yeah, we're gonna put this.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put here.
Yeah. Okay. Put it in some more lah.
Alright guys, so this is how you play all the things that we were given. Alright, so first the infinity cube.
We're probably not gonna give you light. Now you can make any shapes you want. You're probably gonna buy it or we buy for you because we don't know where you live. Subscribe and we'll know.
The first thing, I'll also first Fidget.
You can hide it in. You can hide
So
it.
this one is a smiley face and you gotta push down the cotton.
Cotton.
Lah.
You're talking
And
like
then, okay, become angry.
happy.
Then after that,
Pendekkan the face, okay? Pendekkan.
who knows? After that, we have this
Pendekkan.
ball. We just gotta blow it. Hard blow, but I
Again.
think. Okay, then we got this puppet. I know all of you know how to do puppet.
It's easy, just copy it.
Yeah. It's got puppet because you got a puppet. Alright, then we got this Rubik's Cube.
Off the light now.
And then,
Nice.
so like, and this is how you play Rubik's Cube. And this is all tangled when you go up and it is done.
Oh, the egg come on. Let me be your Uma. Uma, Uma, Uma.
And then we got this, right? Pyramid Rubik's Cube. Twist it around here and twist it round here.
Actually, we're gonna end the video soon because it's night. We're gonna watch a movie. Please don't waste our time.
Oh my
I'm just kidding. So when it becomes a square, I don't know if you want to twist it or not because
Alright, so this
you
is
like
like
twist. There's no way you're gonna.
oh,
You gonna do it.
oh, and that's how you play the Infinity Cube.
The video. Bye.
Alright, please subscribe to our channel and like and give a big thumbs up. So